Okay, so this is just a quick tutorial on how to load in ENMTools. This used to be more necessary than it is now, because it used to be that you had to install it from GitHub, but now it's on CRAN. Actually, all you have to do to install ENMTools is type install.packages, and then parentheses, and ENMTools in quotes. And so the ENM is capitalized, as is the T in tools. Everything else is lowercase. And then once that's installed, which will take a little bit, you're going to type library, which loads in ENMTools. Library ENMTools. You don't need quotes for it there. And then there's one special step here, which is that you need to type install.extras. So ENMTools talks to a whole bunch of different packages in order to analyze data and visualize data and all this sort of stuff. And CRAN doesn't like it when packages talk to too many other packages, basically. It doesn't like to have too many dependencies required because it slows things down and all of that. And so we have a little hack here where we have this function called install.extras, and all it's going to do is just sort of go to CRAN and manually install all the other components that ENMTools needs to work. And some of the core functionality of ENMTools will work without running install.extras, but a lot of it won't. So if you don't do this bit, it's going to be pretty badly sort of handicapped in this functionality. So that's to install the CRAN version of ENMTools. We have some functions that are sort of currently being implemented and sort of tested and toyed with. So we have some functions that are not on the CRAN version yet, and those are on the development branch on GitHub. So the CRAN version will probably update every 2 to 6 months, I would assume. But the new stuff that we're working on right now that will eventually be on CRAN is going to be typically on the develop branch on GitHub. So I'm going to type install.packages devtools if you don't already have devtools installed, and then you need to load in devtools using library. And then from devtools, you're going to use this function install_GitHub. And you're going to tell it the repo, the repository, is danlwarren/ENMTools. And the ref, which means reference, is develop. So this is telling it to use the development branch of the ENMTools repository on GitHub. If you don't put the ref equals development here, it'll just get the main branch, which is currently the same thing that's on CRAN. So if you want the cool new toys, they're on the development branch. Okay, and so this should allow you to install the current CRAN version. This should allow you to install the current development version. And with all that, you should be ready to go. Okay.